Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Hey guys, hurry up. The headmistress wants to speak to us.
And you, are you okay? Are you okay?
Hey, you know the pattern? Come on for there! Nonsense. Go tell and say we no go come. That's all. That's all.
Hey D, what's this? Do they think we are in the 6th century or something? I can't wear this like that. I have to do some alteration before I can put it on. Are you going to wear yours like this?
Hell no. I am going to do the alterations myself. Do I look like someone during the Victorian age?
Instead of you pleading with us to come, you are telling us to hurry up. Nonsense.
She told me clearly to make sure that all of you come.
So can't pull me go. You go say you fool.
And who the hell are you to tell us to come with you?
Because I'm the school
Will
prefect.
you shut up? School prefect my foot. Them all the stupid positions you've given yourselves. Let me tell you one thing. Those who control things around here are we the squads and the crew. You guys are just pedestals placed around here. Yes. Damn your prefectural body. Nonsense.
My guy has to see those beautiful legs and thighs of mine. Why should I hide them?
Girls, I learned the Kashilu guys are organizing some jamboree this weekend. Would you girls go?
What?
Well, since my man is part of it, I wouldn't miss it for anything. During that time, I'm going to show him what I've got. Then, I have to do the alteration fast so I can take it around.
Hey girl, don't tell me you're wearing that thing to the jamboree.
Why not?
You must be crazy. Why don't you put on some of your hot skirts? Why this?
What Paris is saying is true. We shouldn't wear anything school-like to the place.
Well, then, whatever.
You by all means hear from the headmistress because of what you said.
Then go tell them any shit you want. We will not fear anybody. We will not fear anybody. That's all. That's all. That's all. Let's go.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back.
Voila.
Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back to the
Hey,
laugh in
sweetie,
the
you look hot.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Hey, what's up, boys?
Hey girls, we organized some jamboree in town and we came to invite you girls.
Of course, we will come. Yeah.
Hey, but hey, girls, we aren't going to allow any school staffs there. Only hot dresses. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, girls. We really want hot and sexy things out there, you know? Things that will turn people on.
That's one good. That's a good guy.
And you're sure going to get it.
My girl. I told you guys.
So what will they do now?
I know they do anything.
Oh, now I guess I'm washing with you, but I finish them.
That's for me. Hage, plenty things good.
Girls, to tell you the truth, I don't really have any sexy stuff for the program.
Yes, yeah, me too. The ones here are just some school stuff saying.
And where is my Kwesi G?
Kwesi G is not feeling well, so we left him behind.
Oh, extend my greetings to him.
I'll do that.
Okay then.
Alright, see you guys later. But hey, Make sure you get sexy stuff to the party. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Alright.
Let's buy them.
Laugh in the school. Laugh in the school.
You know, I want to look really sexy on that day. Where all eyes will be on.
And I am going to be extra sexy, you know.
That's my girl. Go girl. Go girl. Go girl. Go girl.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Yeah, but something there I've been inside.
Okay, see, like I don't want to go see the guys for town. Make we start something fast. I be the program in Moro Nest.
Yeah, so yeah, if we do one fast.
May we pass one a base, you know.
Why?
The other sicky day. You know go maybe go
5 minutes.
Okay. Then we'll go right now. That's all.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Life in the school. Life in the school. Now we a school rat and now we a good boy. Now we call SU and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy and now we a fresh girl. Now we a big spy and now we a real blow. Tell me.
You see, always I tell you, it's a man there. You for be fit for all departments. You know be the body alone, no. See, this small work yourself. You know go fit do. You see, I dey show you like that. The figure say be easy. As easy as it is, you try and you die finish. Me they tell you. If you love try am.
But I can't.
I tell this man to do carefully. Always should come and you show say.
You guys know here about the Kashmir jams. I know here, but me I know here same. But you don't know how they hate those guys.
Charlie, make you know my smoke. Talk. Hey, I dey hear say then they tear some jams for town. Hey, when that?
But you why? When Kashmir the mama start to concern you?
I guess they make curious. That be all. You should say a smart boy there. If you know what they go on for your environs, or you know be so.
Laugh in the school. Laugh in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Let's not forget, guys. I spoke to the car rentals man from this morning and I've made all the settlements. So he said it will be ready anytime we need it.
So that's good. That's good.
Damn, guys. You didn't tell me we'll be going there in a rented car.
Oh, come on, Fade. What's wrong with that?
Hey, man. That day is a flex day for the Cashflow guys. So we aren't taking any license.
And we even have reserved places in the clubs for the Cashflows.
See you.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Tell him.
Girls, you would love what I brought. I see my daddy knew I was coming to the house for a dress. Yeah, bought this sexy dress for me when I go home.
Oh yeah? I got myself almost the same thing I wore to Terry's party. Because I know he will love it.
Girls, I can hear footsteps. It's the Punani girls. Girls, let's hurry up before someone sees us.
Hey girls. So where did you go? You smell good, Oliver. I see you just came from the house.
Hey, these girls are witches. How did you know we went to the house?
Do you think we are kids? Immediately you said the Casino guys asked you to bring real sexy stuff to the party. We knew you by all means go to the house.
They are organizing some jams in town. And I tell you, it is the biggest I've ever seen.
Oh, Captain Pharaoh.
Tell him.
Honestly, it is more or less a barbecue thing mixed with jam. And all the hot chicks on campus are going there. What is more fun than this? Come on.
Tell me more, man.
You see, my babe asked me if Marcus will be coming.
And what did you tell her?
Oh, I told her we will be coming. Most definitely.
What?
Of course, we have to go.
Honestly, I think we have to go.
They sat down for there. What do you know? Guys, count me out. I'm not going.
Come on, man. Look, if we don't go, it means we are scared of them. Why we aren't?
And if we go to, means we are succumbing to their plan.
No, that is not what it means. If we don't go, it rather means we are scared of them.
Look at what this man is saying. Talk to me, my brother.
Let's go there and enjoy the fun there. Remember, all the chicks the girls, are coming. Let's go there. If they fool around with us, we give them a sound beatings. That's all. Come on.
Yeah.
Yes.
Charlie, I've been waiting for this for a long time.
Yeah.
The Eagles versus the Cashlows. Wow. It could be great. Guys, we are going. We are going.
We are going. We are going.
But guys, the hustler guys are in charge of the venue and the things we need in town. So I even asked them to meet us so that we sort everything out.
That means everything's settled. Food, drinks, music, everything, right?
Be the glutton.
Love food, Come on, guys. At the hunk, make we go find something to eat, okay?
You don't talk first to him. You see what you do.
Charlie myself at the home.
I know say you go home. Come up for them, go find something to eat. See this guys, hey, but you guys, what's wrong with you guys?
Let me take you back to my school days.
It's okay, girls. Don't rush up on it. Because we didn't take any years yet.
Ah, why? The figure say we be triggers or what?
She didn't say that. She just said we shouldn't tell anybody, okay?
Okay. But can we come and borrow some of your clothes? We need to have anything for the jam.
Hey, you girls always want something from someone when asked for a favor.
Oh, not that. Just that we don't have those things. We are in school, remember?
Okay, you can come for some. Only if you don't say anything.
We promise we didn't say anything.
We'll come for it later. We want to get something done.
Hey, be careful.
And remember, on that day, come on, boys. You know how we go, eh?
Yeah, man.
We must have the same shadow. The same swag. Come on, boy. The same kicks. That alone will intimidate them.
But you know how we do. You know how we do.
I know now. Of course, we have to dress the same way. You know what I mean?
But what about me? I don't have that cool things you guys have.
Hey, Ben, don't worry. That day will surely come. Trust me. Trust me.
Charlie. Charlie. But this thing there, this be the chance to show up.
It be the chance to before separate the boys from the men. Before show them say man a shatter, you know. This be the time before show them say yeah, them food too. They will show them hand. Here now.
Laugh in the school. Laugh in the school. I be the kind of nigga na me nti obi case. Don't give a damn mutu me for na me share me lace. Na say me see class and nigga Jehovah ni grace. Hey, let me take you way back. I be the kind of nigga no go fee by breast F, no cash. I just the more just to pass clear. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back to the laugh in the school. Laugh in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Life in the school. My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Now we a school rat and now we a good boy. Now we call SU and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy and now we a fresh girl. Now we a big spy and now we a real blow. Tell me, laugh in the school. Laugh in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Life in the school. My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Let me take you back to my school days. I be the kind of nigga na me nti obi case. Don't give a damn mutu me for na me share me lace. Na say me see class and nigga Jehovah ni grace. Hey, let me take you way back. I be the kind of nigga no go fee by breast F, no cash. I just the more just to pass clear. Filling my paper used to be my biggest fear, no rest. Sometimes I feel like I'm alone. My phone carbon, Gary Sokins, na my yaya, oh Lord. I'm like, give me your phone, let me call my mom. Let me try to send me best fear, oh no. Laugh in the school. Laugh in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Laugh in the school. My life in the school. Laugh in the school. Laugh in the school. Dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Gonna be my guest tonight, believe it. Philomena any mabna. Gonna girl so sick, colomenta. Dear Benna Insida, dear Benna Emmada. True fact. Gonna fop and concern us with the asana mempaba. Oh yeah, move to the left, move to the right. Camera action, Charlie more light. Don't contest, quite no size. Dance fever, yeah, best say her life. I love the way you move in your body. You the massacre the beat so bloody. What the war, yeah, then yeah, pop it. Nasa boni kuma sasi o cratch it. Dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. We a dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. I know you loving the dance. Jump on the beat, or you do say like that. Oh yeah, come make your turn. Shake your bum bum, make it scatter the earth. DJ Fatu repeat. Nani je wo who you need who receive. Movie will feed, forget the beef. Yeah, pass some drinks now you crack a piece. I am loving the beat, loving your body, I'm feeling the heat. Let's go. Daddy, get on your feet, dance to the team fast, and mommy neat. That's right. Let's take it with it. It's a brand new song, have fun with it. Dance fever, everybody happy in it. In the club on the street, let's party with it. Let's take it with it. It's a brand new song, have fun with it. Dance fever, everybody happy in it. In the club on the street, let's party with it. Dance fever. Shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Shake your bum bum. We a dance fever. Shake your bum bum. Welcome to the dance fever. Yo, shake what your mama gave ya. Sick of you go feel lose up. Sooner or later. Cratch, yes, and I forget the hater. Shawanase, thanks to the creator. Nyame Adaroma, inti na yashiada. So, atamfo be paba. Missy boom nasa, kotona fa. And again that, it is to kapa. Chamela la, namediaba. And then you made a gibidi dada. Yo, shake, what your mama gave ya. Sick of you go feel lose up. Sooner or later. Dance fever. Welcome to the dance fever. Oh yeah, shake your bum bum. Laugh in the school. Laugh in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Laugh in the school. My life in the school. Whoa. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Now we a school rat, and now we a good boy. Now we call SU, and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy, and now we a fresh girl. Now we a big spy.
Yeah, I'm in front of the house.
That was it already.
Since we go away the website, we never know about it.
Just look at you, go bash for you. That's why I'm not everything safe.
drinks, everything different inside. They chill,
music,
everything. That's why this guy, they love food too.
Laugh in the school. Laugh in the school. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Wow. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back to the laugh in the school. Laugh in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Laugh in the school. My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Now we a school rat, and now we a good boy. Now we call SU, and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy. And
Shall I you there? See, I'm on it.
Why is there wasting the warrior?
Give me just 5 minutes, I'll be there soon.
Where is that?
I said just 5 minutes, I'll be there soon. Oh, okay. Bye.
Hear that?
But babe, the new catch.
If you go say you are here to
forget her, You say the man.
let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back, let me take you back. Let me take you back. Laugh in the school. Laugh in the school.